Hey guys, Mrs. Livingston here. Avery's going to help me out. We're going to change up our letter sound drill. I'm not going to show you the cards with the pictures. I'm just showing you tiles, letters. I'm going to put it up. You're going to tell me the sound. Okay? You got it. Here we go. C, K. Z, Z. N, N. D, D. X, X. I, remember this one. Look at it. It's a different color. That's the vowel that you stretch out. Very good. P, P. M, M. Nice job. I'm just going to move them up so we can make more room. K, K. F, F. E, E. V, V. L, L. W, W. R, R. J, J. This one's fancy. That's not usually how we write it. T, T. S, S. H, O, Ah. Very good. That's that stretching it out because it's a vowel. Very good. B, B. Y, E. This one's fancy looking too. That's a G. G. It also says J. There's another fancy one. A, U, Nice job, friends. So what I want to do is I just want to put all my vowels up here really quick. I know it might be hard without the pictures, but you guys are doing a great job. Thanks, Avery. So here I've got O says ah and O says O. Very good. U says like up, and U also says you. I says I says I. Remember, it says its own name. E says E says E. A says A says A. Very good. Last ones I want to show you really quick. SH, those digraphs, those two together, they're buddies. They say this sound, shh. What about these two? C and an H, what do they say? Ch. Very good. Last one. TH. That's when we get to stick our tongue out. Very good. Very good. Nice job, friends. It's hard without the pictures because we've used the pictures so many times, but you did a great job. So I want you to practice those again, and I'll see you soon.